Hey, Sanna, how's it going?
Hello there, Jelly. How's it going with you?
Hey, I'm doing fan-freaking-tastic. You know why?
Why?
Because Rockstar Games
came out?
released a new car. That's right.
Yeah.
A new vehicle. And, in fact, it's this one.
Oh, is that one?
It's this one.
Okay.
It's an old school, it's a classic vehicle, a classic sports car. Let's get inside. We're going to pick up Santa's at her apartment, and then we're going to customize them and compare which one looks better, okay? Oh, look at those front lights. Looking fantastic. So we also have something special on this car. If I click on E, nothing happens. If I click on, how do I, okay, there's guns on it. I don't know how to shoot.
Okay.
Sanna, do you know how to shoot? Oh, maybe I just click.
No.
Maybe I click. Wait, watch this.
What?
Oh!
Wow!
Oh, yeah!
Oh my god. I love special
Isn't that
vehicles.
awesome?
They do something special, and they're not just boring and just drive.
I know, right? All right.
Yeah.
All right. So you have a different apartment than I do.
I have a cheaper one.
So you have a cheap one? Well,
probably.
It has as much car space.
Actually,
so
no. I think I have quite
matter.
an expensive one. I don't
I'm
know.
not
I
sure.
just don't have it completely upgraded.
I don't know which one's the most expensive, so I wouldn't know.
Whatever. Whatever.
Are
We'll
you
just
liking
go to my
that apartment? You think it's good?
You know, it's very, very comfortable. I feel at
Actually,
home.
I think the
Super
garage is
amazing.
like the exact same as the one I have.
Probably.
I think that's it. It's
Probably.
stupid,
You're
but
very good
whatever.
at driving, by the way.
Thank you, thank you. All right, we arrived, lady.
We arrived.
Go get your vehicle.
I'm gonna go get it, and I'll see you outside.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, I got it. Here it is, Jelly. I got it. I got
Where
it.
are
I got it. No, I'm still inside, but I found it in my garage. It's kind of difficult
Nice.
to find, but
Was it a big garage? Like, was it hard to find?
huge. Very difficult. I didn't know I had that many floors.
I don't believe it. I legit don't believe it.
Okay, Jelly, I am actually here now.
Oh, hello. Wait, you got
Hello.
from a different exit?
Wait, yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
my
well-
hotel has many, or hotel. My apartment has many exits.
Follow me, and we gonna put some upgrades on this thing, all right?
All right.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Let's
First
go,
one
let's
there
go,
is
let's
winner.
go. What?
Last one there is a loser. And has to
Did you
pay
put a waypoint or did I...
$1,000? Oh my god! Get out of here. He's gonna kill us.
Oh no. Oh no, he
Oh,
is
no.
gonna kill us.
He is actually gonna kill
my
us. We need to
God.
go. Sanna, we need to go. You went the wrong way, by the way.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to go.
Follow me, I
Oh
said.
my god, I'm
Yeah.
so annoyed. They blew me up,
Oh.
Jelly. They blew me up.
All right, Sanna, let's customize our vehicles.
Let's do
It
it.
got blown up, so we had to wait a while.
Yeah, oh my
Thank you guys
God.
in the lobby. You guys
Yeah.
are real supportive here.
Thank you.
All right,
Very
so
annoying.
I want to know, I want you to surprise me with whatever this car is gonna look like, okay?
Okay, and you surprised me, alright?
All right, I'm gonna make it look crazy.
Okay.
Be prepared.
Okay, first of all, we're gonna start by upgrading the armor to 60%, and then we are going to go onto the brakes. These are just kind of the boring things we have to get through, so we're just gonna try to do this really quickly, but yeah. Now we're going to be looking at the bumper, and yeah, I'm not really sure what I prefer. I think actually I prefer this one over these ones. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, there's also this one, I kind of just realized, but I think I still prefer this one, so we're gonna stick to that one. Let's go on to the rear bumpers, and yeah, I kind of like this one actually. I prefer this one, so we're gonna go for it. We're gonna go onto the engine, and we're going to go onto the engine cover. Oh my god. Let's see. I'm not really sure which one I prefer out of these. I kind of like this one already. It looks quite cool, but also this one looks quite cool as well. Not really sure which one to go for. You know, I think I'm gonna stick to the one that is originally on the car because I think it looks the best. Engine tunes, we're gonna upgrade it to level 4, which is great. Very great. Exhaust, let's see. Really not that big of a difference. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stick to the one I already have. We're gonna go on to the fenders, and oh, this is quite, I don't really know what I think about these. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Don't you like it? I don't know if I like it or not. You know what? I think I'm gonna go for this one, just to make it a bit more special than the other cars that I customize. Let's go onto the hood, and we are going to be going with the, I'm not really sure. I think I like it as it is. It looks quite sporty as it is. This one, it looks just really, really boring, I think. So I think we're just gonna stick to the one we originally have, which is kind of weird. I'm not changing a lot with this car, which is kind of weird because it doesn't look the best. I don't really like the look of this car. We're gonna move on to the lights, and we're gonna go on, and we're gonna use the neon lights, of course. I love the neon lights and the neon layout of the neon kit. We're going to go with front, back, and sides. I usually choose that one. We'll move on to the neon color later. If I remember, in most recordings, I do forget to add on a color on the neon lights in the end. But whatever. With the plate, I'm not really sure what to do. I think I'm just going to leave it black, I guess. Yes, I'm going to leave it black. And I'm going to move on to the respraying. Let's go for the primary color. I'm not really sure what to choose because I usually go for a metallic color with the pearls in on top of it. I think that looks awesome, but I'm not really sure what to do with this car. I think I'm gonna go on and look at the metallic colors and just check out what looks good for this car. Yeah. I usually choose blue as a color for my cars because it's my favorite color, so I like having a blue car, I don't know, to have them kind of all look the same. But I also do like to experiment. This diamond blue looks quite cool. This is very, very, very difficult. Okay, so I actually do like the graphite color. It looks quite cool, and carbon black does also look quite cool. Kind of makes the whole car look a bit more sporty. So I'm not sure. I might actually go for the carbon black. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. I don't think I have a black car already, so it's a first for everything, am I right? I'm not sure if I should add a pearl scent or if that would even work, but yeah, we can just look around and see what they have. Oh my god, look at that green. That looks crazy. It looks like fuel almost. They have ice white, which kind of looks quite cool. I like that. I like that a lot. They also have all different kinds of colors. Okay, guys, I actually think I'm gonna go for the ice white. I think it looks awesome. Yeah. Let's move on to the secondary color, and I think we're gonna go for a metallic color once again. What is the secondary color, actually? Oh, that's what the secondary color is. And, yeah. About that, I do not know if I want to choose another color or if I actually want to stick to the same color of the car that I have to have just everything equal. Because, yeah, actually, I think it looks quite good, all the same color. So I think I'm just going to stick to that. This might be really, really boring, guys. We're going to move on to the spoiler, and we're going to go with... Oh, the spoiler actually makes a huge difference. I actually really like this spoiler. I think it just goes really well with the car. I'm not that big of a fan of these spoilers, I don't think. I'm going to go with this one. Yes. And the suspension, of course, street suspension, and transmission, super transmission. It looks like, I feel like I've gone up a few levels because before I couldn't buy these. So finally, I am able to maximize these cars. Oh my god. Turbo tuning, of course, and the wheels. This is gonna be fun. Let's see, wheel type, muscle, off-road, sport, maybe some chrome rims would be cool. I'm not really sure what wheels to actually pick because I think all of these are really awesome. I really like these wheels, but I'm not really sure if they go that well with the actual car. I do like these wheels, but like, does it go with the car? I'm not sure. We're gonna keep on looking and see. Maybe, oh, this actually looks quite cool with the red as well. Oh, it actually looks quite awesome. I like these ones. These wheels are cool. Or these ones. These are even cooler. Oh my god, I love these. Or these ones. Oh my god, I'm just liking them more and more. I'm not sure if I should go for these ones or these ones. I'm gonna go for these ones. Cheetah Carbon R, I think. Yeah, I think that's the name. My microphone's kind of covering the name of it, but yeah. Let's go on to the windows, and I'm not really sure. What should I go for? Oh, I can actually put limo now. I can actually use that one. And I think I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go for limo. I think that looks so awesome. And yeah, I think I did everything that's possible to do with this car. So that's awesome. I think it looks a lot better than when I bought it. I like it a lot more. I do like it in just one color instead of, you know, having all these colorful colors, because I don't think this is really the car to, you know, just put a lot of different colors on. It's nice if just one color, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm happy with the car. I think it looks awesome. It's quite dark right now, but I think it looked quite cool, especially in the light. Oh, hello, Jelly. Hello.
All right, Sanna, here we are.
Yeah.
First of all, nice looking car.
Well, yeah, now that I look at yours, yours look like much cooler, but
You think so?
I just didn't want to put all these weird colors on there. It just didn't look good for this car. I
agree. I felt the
just
same way.
put like
the
a
jelly green, you know, the famous jelly green?
Yeah.
Didn't look good. It just didn't.
Yeah, so I just put like a carbon black with like a ice white person or something. I'm not really sure.
Well,
but
it
looks
really
it looks
cool.
really cool. And now I remember that I forgot to change the color of the lights under, but I don't really know what I would change it to anyway.
But I like it in white though. It's really nice in white.
I think it looks really cool, but especially in the sun, because now it's quite dark, so you can't really see it, but it looks much better with the sun shining on it, you know?
Is this the first car that's not blue for you?
Oh, Jelly, do you have to drive into my car? Oh my god.
Sorry.
Is
this the first car that's not blue?
I think so. No, not completely. Jelly, do you seriously have to drive into it?
No,
now
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna go and like pay for the repairs
you're gonna
now.
repair it? Okay, I'll do that quickly as well before anyone kills me. Sorry, scratches don't matter though. All right, Sanna, I'd say we do a little race.
A race?
A little race.
Up to the mountains.
All right, first one to the mountains wins.
Okay.
And you got a head start.
Okay, wait.
Go.
Yeah, I'm trying to not scratch my car. I don't know if that's your aim too,
Oh,
but
that is going to be really hard with all these dumb people driving here.
yeah, okay,
Look,
let's go.
The cops just crashed into that guy.
Yeah, they're so dumb. Oh my god. I'm happy they aren't like controlling the real world.
Is your car fully customized, like
yeah,
regarding
completely
like engine
customized.
and
I've actually been able to do that now because before I couldn't fully customize the car.
Oh shit!
But now I
just jumped out of my
can.
car.
I don't know.
That's
I
cool.
went up some levels while I was moving, I guess. I haven't even played GTA, so I'm not really sure how that happened. I hope no one modded me or like did it.
Where are you going? Have you shot the bullets yet? I don't think you have.
Oh no, I haven't. How do you do that?
It's I don't know. It's right click for me. See? Right click.
Oh, Jelly.
You just
Move!
did that.
Yeah, but you're standing still. I thought you were gonna drive. Oh my god.
All right, Sanna, we made it to the mountains. I think it's clear who's the winner here.
Me.
You, okay.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for watching this video. This is just one hell of a car.
Yeah,
Love it.
I really like it actually. It's actually worth the money.
Not bad.
Like, I feel like the cars haven't really been worth the money until now.
Right? Especially the one with the front spoiler. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, thank you for just shooting my car. Okay, let's...
That was an accident.
Yeah. Okay, bye!
See you later.
Don't touch my car! Oh.
Won't do that. I won't do that.